International Education Forum, first ever education at talk, looking very, very beautiful. And this is Vashuddhi color, Ma Saraswati Bagdevi favorite round.
Thank you for that honor.
Sangeeta Karmakar, CEO and founder of Eagle Eye and Aircraft. Ma'am, please enlighten us, embrace us with your beautiful journey. You have colossal of experience, vast experience. Share with us kindly and highlight your key achievements, please. Thank you.
So let's begin from the end.
Yes.
So I am. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. So currently I am holding the title of Mrs. United Nations Charity Award 2023. And before that, I got the honor to represent India and hold the title
Awesome.
Mrs. India United Nations 2022.
Oh, stupendous.
Though I have completed my education completely in engineering.
Okay.
I have done BTech Computer Science and Engineering.
Chalk and cheese.
Yes. And at the same time, when I was a student of first year, I started my journey as a personality development coach.
Oh, how wonderful.
So that is a North Pole and South Pole combining together.
Right.
And Eagle's Eye is founded on the basis of personality development coaching.
Oh, really? It is. Okay, so much needed.
Exactly. So while doing my studies and later on joining in the corporate world, working in IT industry, while doing my post-graduation in data science and business analytics, I found there is a huge skill gap. So what we are learning in the educational institute and what we are implementing in the industry itself, irrespective of any industry. It is not only in the corporate world, it is not only in the academic world, it is not only in some blue-collar job. Whatever hard skills you are having, if your personality, if your soft skills, if your communication, accountability, responsibility, ownership, those are not going correct, you will be actually the people are suffering to get the proper value what they are deserving.
True.
Coming from the village actually, I have seen the struggle of those students who were trying to cope up in the modern
They know
world.
a lot of things, man, but that city sleekness, that confidence.
Exactly. The moment they are stepping into the industry, they are competing. Well, nowadays it is a global situation. It is not at all like we are residing in West Bengal, we are competing with the West Bengal people.
It's
not at all.
now.
So when I have grown up, I have seen that from the local to global, we have converted entirely.
The transition.
The entire transition. And here came the Eagle's Eye's main concept. So this is on the basis of personality development. Slowly it has incorporated image consultation, transformational coaching, because after fighting with our inner fear, I cannot do it. They are better than us. So today when I am sitting in front of you, I can still remember the day when I was completely fumbling while speaking in English, while speaking in Hindi. I have got all those feedback from everywhere that okay, তুমি তো বাংলা ছাড়া অন্য কিছুতে কথা বলতে পারো না, and that became my strength, because that is something what gave me. It is just a language.
It's just a barrier of a language.
Exactly. There are people who are not able to speak properly. Aren't they communicating?
Absolutely.
And slowly when I came to the image consultation, I got this opportunity
Right.
to go into the United Nations beauty
How
pageant.
wonderful! How wonderful! Did you? Okay, because I come from fashion background, that's why it's so interesting, and it teaches beautiful. It teaches you the total personality development, to enhance your personality and develop your confidence level. Totally. True.
And from that to a pageant trainer, a model groomer, and the
Yes.
owner of Kolkata International Fashion Week.
Right.
So that is when I look back to today,
Right.
I find out all my students, all my mentees standing behind me.
Correct. Such an exemplary, absolutely. You're a trailblazer of so many generations to come. It's such an honor to have you. And ma'am, another thing is what steps do you take to stay updated with current trends and development in your chosen field of education, and how do you apply them in your role?
Every day we are learning something.
Yes, there you go, every day learning.
Every
Yeah.
day, depending on the situation, depending on the challenges.
Right.
Just for an example, we were not prepared at all for the March 23rd, 2020.
Of course, such virulent attack of COVID.
Exactly. Were we prepared enough? Not at all.
Absolutely.
And within 24 hours, the entire offline education system came to online. The entire corporate world came to
Totally.
online.
We ate, slept, and
Everything
on and drank on online.
Exactly. And that is something which is denoting we can do whatever we want to do.
Correct.
Until and unless you have that urge from inside, we need to do, we want to do. That is something
Very well said. It's how badly you want it.
Exactly.
True.
That will make your better today.
Absolutely.
It is always a competition between you
and
yesterday, the version of yours which was you were carrying yesterday, and the version you are going to carry tomorrow. You have to build your tomorrow on the basis of today.
absolutely pushing your envelope every day.
Exactly.
Fine question, ma'am. What is your view, your take on this EdTalk and NEF, National Education Forum?
The moment Purnima called me
Yes.
from EdTalk, I asked her one question: what is your mission and vision for EdTalk?
Of course.
And after almost 5 to 6 sessions,
Correct.
quite a 1.5 hour discussion. Sometimes I was busy in meeting, I was dropping the call. Okay, we will continue from here. I found a deep connection.
Right.
What the Eagle's Eye's vision is and what EdTalk's vision is.
Correct. You could resonate. Yes.
Exactly. We are trying to not only Eagle's Eye, whatever I am owning nowadays, Eagle's Eye, Aircraft, Kolkata International Fashion Week, everything is interconnected there.
Absolutely.
It is not only targeting the target audience is scattered here.
Correct.
We are targeting the remotest part, whoever is having that capability.
Exactly.
Capability is something what we all have.
Exactly.
We all have that talent.
Yes, we all have that, and because
But
that
हर एक हीरा को तरसना पड़ता है.
absolutely right.
So
Nurturing
that
it.
only give you the solitaire.
Yes.
So every diamond is not solitaire.
It has to be nurtured. It has to be.
Exactly.
True.
And
True.
that is where the mission and vision of EdTalk and Eagle's Eye is associated together.
Yes.
And I hope that Dr. Geetanjali ma'am, Purnima, Shreya, everyone will help us to grow together, to support us, to grow together.
Yes.
And it is always better to grow together rather than growing
Absolutely. United we stand always.
Exactly.
So lovely to have you here. Thank you for such a precious time, and thank you for your journey, walking us through this beautiful, marvelous journey and sharing those moments with us. Learned a lot of things from you.
Sanita ma'am,
Thank you.
Sanita ma'am, we had a long discussion. We had a GMIT, we had a long discussion, and now National Education Forum is going to be associated with Eagle's Eye. We are obviously into fashion education. Education is everywhere, in each and every corner of everything. Then only, even in cooking, even in fashion, everybody over here, what is presentation, what is fashion education. We had a long discussion with Sanita on this, and we are very happy to welcome you in our National Education Forum family. Thank you, and please come up so that we can felicitate you.
Thank you very much.
Association of Eagles Eye and National Education Forum. Kolkata International Fashion Week. When it starts from?
It is 23rd, 24th and 25th of August, but it will start from August 1st week. The auditions are given.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very happy to have you here. Be with us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.